Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're turning our attention to one of India's most trusted and loved hatchbacks, the 2026 Maruti Suzuki Wagon R. Known for its practicality, spaciousness, and reliability, the Wagon R has been a household name for decades. The 2026 model builds on this strong legacy with modern updates, smarter features, and improved efficiency. Let's take a closer look at why the new Wagon R continues to be the people's car. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Maruti Suzuki Wagon R arrives with a refreshed design that enhances its tallboy stance while adding more premium touches. The front fascia gets a redesigned grille with chrome accents, sleek LED headlamps, and a sportier bumper. The side profile maintains the Wagon R's signature upright look but with sharper lines and new alloy wheel designs. Fresh dual-tone color options add youthful energy, making the car stand out on city roads. Performance and powertrain. Under the hood, the 2026 Wagon R continues with its trusted 1.0-liter and 1.2-liter petrol engines, now refined for better fuel efficiency and smoother performance. Both manual and AMT gearboxes are available, catering to different driving preferences. Maruti is also expected to introduce a CNG and hybrid variant, giving buyers more eco-friendly choices. With improved suspension tuning, the Wagon R delivers a more comfortable ride while keeping running costs low. Safety and technology. Safety and convenience have taken a leap forward in the 2026 Wagon R. The car now comes with dual airbags, ABS with EBD, hill hold assist on AMT models, and a stronger body structure for enhanced crash safety. Inside, the cabin features a new touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, a digital driver display, and connected car features on higher trims. With improved ergonomics and added rear AC vents, the Wagon R feels more modern and family-friendly than ever. Conclusion. The 2026 Maruti Suzuki Wagon R continues its legacy as the ultimate family hatchback by combining practicality, efficiency, and modern upgrades. With its refreshed design, multiple powertrain options, and added tech, it is set to remain a top choice for Indian buyers. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more automotive news, reviews, and first looks at the cars that matter most.